Look at this cute little lab coat. Now, we can see that there are 4 different lab coats, and you have lots of places to add some decoration. You can make this personal to you, so you can add things that are important to you, and you can add colors that you want. You've got pockets and various places to write, and just choose your own design. So when you finish and cut it out, this is an example that I made just so you could get an idea. You can see that I'm into percussion, and so I put drums and drew a little drum. Family, there's my stick people family. My faith is important to me, and I have a zoo at home. I'm into animals, so I put critters and a little cat. When you get done adding your decorations and words and icons and little drawings and whatever you want to your lab coats, you will cut it out. And I'm going to highlight where you would actually cut so that you can see exactly. So basically, this bold line all the way around, you would cut, right? And you'll be turning your paper and cutting with your scissors and being careful, trying to stay on or just outside that bold line that I am outlining right now. And if you have to kind of fold the paper to get certain cuts or whatever, that's fine. Now once you get the outside cut, notice it says cut out this area, but you are leaving these little spots. So that's where you definitely, because you're going to cut out all along here, and it's a lot easier if you fold along, if you fold along this line right here. So when you're ready to cut out the center, you can fold along that dotted line and cut that out with your scissors, When you get done, you should have it decorated and cut out, and then it looks like this. Now at this point, you might like one side better than the other. You might want to simplify it, and if that's true, notice that if you were just to add glue here and here, you would have 2 lab coats that have a front and a back. Or you can get even more creative, like I'm about to show you, where you take and you make some folds. So there's a dotted line along here that you can fold. There's a dotted line along here that you can fold. And then you see that I also folded it this way, so it ends up looking like that. And then fold it this way, and you're starting to see the shape that you're trying to create. Notice it's this 3-dimensional decoration lab coat creation thingy that could be hung like an ornament or something from the ceiling. So I'm doing this right in front of you, and I'm thinking that it would be best to add glue right in here to stick that part together, and then you could add glue in here to stick that part together. So I'm going to get my trusty glue stick and fold it back this way. And remember, it probably doesn't take a lot of glue, so I'm just going to put a little bit here, a little bit there. And I'm going to fold and kind of pinch these edges. Doop, 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 doop. All right, this is looking how I want it to. Then I'm going to add some glue here and here. Squeeze this side together. And then I'm going to add some glue here, here. I don't even know if I really needed to do both pieces of paper, but then I'm going to kind of pinch, squeeze, take a look at it. And it might be a little bit, I was going to use the word cattywampus. How's that? But I'm okay with that. It gives it a little bit of character, and I've already added the glue, so I'm not going to try to like start taking it apart and re-gluing it, because then I'll probably rip my paper and get all upset. So let me show you the next step. So now you can take some string, like for example, we've got this blue yarn here. I'm going to give myself, I don't know, maybe 16 inches, like a 1.5 feet maybe. And then you'll see that there's like a little area right through here. So I might be able to send my yarn through there. Uh-oh, I might have needed to do this sooner. Oh, it's working. It's working! And then I can grab it. And then I can send it through here. Now, when I send this through, I'm hoping that I can like tie it, and that'll kind of cinch the top together a little bit. And if it's not working, like you can see I'm struggling a little bit, you might need like a friend to help you. You might need to shove it through a little more. There we go. Okay. Okay. Then I'm just going to tie this real simple knot, over and under, pull, over and under, pull, whoop. And I'm going to kind of even that out, and then you can see it hangs. See? Perfect. And then I'll make a loop. See how I've got a loop? And then I'll take that whole loop and tie a knot in that whole loop so that I can hang it. It'll like hang from the ceiling like that. So, good luck. Like I said, if that is too complicated, you can just do a two-sided one where you color two sides and then glue them back to back, and it'll be a simple option for you.